When training is not evaluated, it is impossible to know how effective it is. It is not likely to guarantee the quality of training and to make the necessary modifications in order to keep standards high. Since trainers must have a thorough understanding of the training process from beginning to the end, they must be well-rounded. This is where RD model comes in to help industrial system design methodology based on the AD model was created in the 1970s and is used to produce training programs. Standardized procedures are what the Army strives for. With each new concept the Army adopts and developed, they make sure that it is working correctly or optimally in their present systems before moving on to the next one. They opted to use the AD model or approach because of the strong need for standardization and assessment in the Army. The whole training cycle is covered in the RD model. The training cycle starts far in advance of the commencement of the training program and continues long after the conclusion of the program. It offers a comprehensive view of the process to trainers. AD is the most often used instructional design paradigm, despite the fact that there are many alternative models. Why is it so difficult to understand? It is just easy and it works. The training cycle demonstrates how to design a successful training program that suits the specific requirements of a person or organization. An assessment and feedback system is critical to the success of any training program. That the training process is an iterative flow of action, not a static water flow model, is also emphasized as dynamic or spiral. Each of the 5 stages of the training program is a continuous process. Despite the fact that the training program has been adapted, the other stages of the training process continue. The 5 steps are regularly performed to see if any improvements can be achieved. As a result, the model offers you with a simplified, targeted strategy that provides you with feedback for ongoing progress and improvement.